Entrepreneurship. Yeah, the buzzword, the fancy word for starting a business these days. The internet has made sure that you're special, you're awesome, pretty much different, and you could have everything you ever wanted. Influencers, guys selling programs and courses, guys who earn six-figure income in less than a year, and pretty much everyone else put pressure on you pretending you're missing out on money. The magical word for earning money has become entrepreneurship, and you could have a life like this, only if you could start a business. Or is it? Let's look at this from a middle to upper middle class family perspective. They are the group that are too vulnerable to this entrepreneurship scam. People target them, make money from them, and they are left with just debt and disappointment. Hang on, just let us show you. Number 1. The hookup money. Everyone loves it, so when people like him show you that you can earn millions, you are hooked. You want to see their every move, learn their secret, so that you can also live the high life. Here's where the scam comes in. They make millions by selling an idea, a dream, their books, workshops, events, and whatnot, every other item on their checklist. They really don't care about the end results. In the end, people are ashamed to reveal that they have failed, and these guys move on to the next prey. Very vicious cycle. Number 2. The "it's very easy" guy. These guys make sure that you have everything you need for your business for a small fee. They make sure that there are no hurdles in your path and that your business will flourish instantly. Heck, there's even a company that creates an esports app for you instantly. Essentially, they make sure that your website, app, or even a physical location is available easily for you, making sure that you're spending money on them and realizing your dream. When you're all done, you'll notice there are 1,000 other people like you probably who came from the same source, and you've been parented into believing you're unique. Life's tough, guys. Number 3. The franchise. Before getting in on this, watch this.
Seem to realize what business you're in. You're not in the burger business. You're in the real estate business. You don't build an empire off a 1.4% cut of a 15-cent hamburger. You build it by owning the land upon which that burger is cooked.
I think you can get the gist now. The franchise is promised on the brand and hopes that the money comes in. They actually do produce a lot of income, that's true. What isn't is that there is a commission for every product sold, royalty fixed every month, and you paying your own employees. Seriously, if vampires do exist, their corporate name would be franchisers. Enough on that. Number 4. The final hope. When you have spent a lot on your business and you see you're clearly failing, there's this group of people who will encourage you to go on, tell you to burn some more cash or take out a loan and give one final shot. Now let's take a pause here. We're not in a film. Nothing ever happens instantly. You'll just delay a hard death 99% of the time. That's the reality. Let's make things clear at once. Entrepreneurship is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Entrepreneurship is a way of life. It defines things more than just success. It adds value to whosoever involves around it. With that said on point, it is getting off track. This tag is now being used as a mask by millennials like us to not let people question our career options. What we feel is that the buzzword is losing the buzz itself. It is evolving more to become an excuse. If you choose to become one, it ought to be solely based on your decision. Remember not to become an entrepreneur just because someone else is. Inspiration and motivation are misleading most of the times, as the underlying core value is not taken into consideration. If money is what is ultimately driving you to become one among the other existing entrepreneurs, then sustainability over years become a huge question mark. We don't have anything against entrepreneurship. In fact, we love it. We love the idea of making the world a better place. We just want to tell you this. always have your own idea, your own execution plan, your own exit strategy, and your own money. Hope we enlightened you a bit on this topic. Until next time, cheers.